OfferLab review. Best affiliate program or just overpriced hype? OfferLab is everywhere in 2025, but is it the best affiliate program out there or just overpriced hype wrapped in a funnel? Let's break it down. OfferLab is Russell Bronson's latest brainchild. Think of it like ClickFunnels on steroids, but for affiliates, you're not just promoting one product, you're stocking offers, upsells, and order bumps into a super funnel, and yes, you earn lifetime commissions. Among its pros would be it's free to join, built-in funnel templates, lifetime commissions, high-ticket upsells, and a community that actually converts. But here's the catch. It's heavily upsell driven. You're nudged toward buying into higher tiers, and some funnels feel recycled. And if you're not already in Russell's ecosystem, it can feel culty. So is OfferLab the best affiliate program of 2025? If you're already a funnel nerd and love stacking offers, it's a playground. But if you're looking for organic product first affiliate marketing, this might feel like hype over substance.